Oh boy, I think I'm going to ruffle a few feathers when I tell you that the most important number in your home building project is not your budget. The first thing that every client asks me is, what's it going to cost? And there's one critical number that they tend to overlook. That's the monthly cost of carry. So it's not just about what you spend on the construction, the professional fees, and the permits. It's also about understanding the ongoing costs that add up every month that affect your overall financial planning for the project. So here are 3 things for you to know about carrying costs. Number 1 is what's included. It includes the interest on your loans, insurance, additional living costs, HOA fees, and the opportunity cost of your equity. Why it's key? Well, this number helps you make informed decisions about your overall project, the budget, and how it will be affected by changes in the schedule. And number 3, how you can use this. Use this number to evaluate the true cost and the return on investment for change orders. Changes will happen during construction, and using the cost of carry, you can decide if they're worth it. So now you're diving into a custom home build or major renovation, and you want to keep your finances in check. Understanding the monthly cost of carry is essential. Looking for more great insight on the world of custom home design and construction? Join our private Facebook group for more insights like this and to connect with others who are navigating their dream home journey. It's free. Click on the link below to learn more, and I'll see you on the inside.